Hello everyone. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today, we are going to start a new topic that is LCM of two numbers. I hope you guys already know what is the LCM of two numbers, how to find out the LCM. It's called least common multiple. So now let's look at how to write the efficient code to find out the LCM of two numbers. So, some of you might not know what is LCM, so no worry. Here, LCM basically means it's the smallest number that can be divided by both the numbers. Suppose we have to find out the LCM of 7 and 35. So, what are the multiples of 7? It's 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and so on. And multiples of 35 are 35, then 35 into 2 is 70, and so on. So the least number which divides both 7 and 35 is 35. So the LCM of 7 and 35 is 35. In the same way, the LCM of 15 and 20 is 60, and LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. So what's the simple solution to find the prime factor? So the simple solution to find the LCM of two numbers is find all the prime factors, and you have to find out the union of the factors present in both the numbers, and finally multiply those numbers or return the product of the numbers of the union or the elements of the union. Okay, so that was the simple method. Because we are focusing on DSA, we have to take care of both time complexity and space complexity. So what is the efficient solution to find out the LCM of two numbers? See, product, there is a formula. Product of two numbers, that is A into B, will always be equivalent to LCM of A and B multiplied by GCD of A and B. If you do not know what is GCD, you can refer to the previous video. There we have created a video which is focused entirely on finding the GCD of numbers. So how do you find out the LCM? Just divide the GCD of numbers A and B by A into B. So that we have done here. So LCM of A and B is A into B by GCD of A and B. Okay. So we will be soon seeing the actual coding of the efficient algorithm. But the time complexity of the efficient algorithm is big O of log of minimum of A and B, and auxiliary space is also the same. So now you know that this is the method of finding out the LCM of two numbers. So just pause this video for a second, take your time and write down the efficient algorithm for the same. I have already given you the formula. So you already have the catch. Just pause this video and write down an algorithm, write down a code and just match with my code. Okay. I hope you already have written the code. So now let's move to our text editor, that is VS Code. So here is our VS Code. Let's close all the pop-ups. Let's create a new file, that is LCM of two numbers. Enter. Oh sorry, I did not write the extension file. No worries, we'll create one more. Create a Python file. So it's LCM of two numbers dot. So here we got a Python file. So now let's write the code. So let's create a GCD function first. So def of GCD, we have A comma B. Then if B is double equal to G. So these are the conditional statements. Okay. So we have to return here A, or else we return GCD of B and A mod B. Okay. Now let's write a function for LCM. A comma B. Okay. Then return A into B. So the formula which we studied, which we saw the efficient algorithm, I'm writing the same. Just writing the formula, just making it, what do you call? The formula I have in mind, just I'm putting it into code, coding language. Then Let's write the main function. A is equal to 15, B is equal to 20. So let's find out the numbers for the LCM of these numbers. Then I have to write the print statement. LCM of, I'm finding out for A and B. A and B is LCM of the numbers, the parameters are A and B. So we wrote A and B. Next line, and the driver coordinates to be written here. That is, if name double equal to let's call the function. Okay, so let's save it. Let's run. So you got LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. Okay, let me clear the terminal and let's run for two different numbers, that is 7 and 35, because we already know that it's 35. The answer is 35. So let's run. So the LCM of 7 and 35 is 35. So I hope you understood the working of this code. I hope it was fun. For more interesting topics, for more interesting project ideas, stay tuned to this channel. Thank you for being with me. And if you have any doubts, write down it in the comment section. I'll try my level best to help you with it. So with this note, let's end today's session. Happy learning, guys. Bye-bye.